Hey, hi Steven.
Hey, hello, hi. Yes,
Hey,
hi.
so this is a new completed project. Okay, can you show us around?
Okay, this is a HDB Resale 5-room improved flat. This is the owner, Doreen here. Okay, so I'll bring a walk through the house. Yeah, okay, come in. Owner is looking for some spacious theme lah. So over here we did a storage at the balcony there. Okay, this area here used to be a balcony. So we integrated the balcony into the living area to make the space here wider and more spacious. So along this side here, the balcony there, right, we constructed a storage cabinet. There's a sewage pipe there, so we hid it inside. So we make use of the space to create more space for storage. And then over here, this is also a concrete wall. So we did a feature wall here with a TV console to integrate the storage and the feature wall together. This is a open concept kitchen. So the whole plan is, here used to have a kitchen with a wall here, sealed up. So now we bring down the whole wall, create a big space here to integrate the island table and the dining table together.
So, does a lot.
No, I don't, but my husband does it. Yes.
I can say that this is the main focus of the whole house. So from the entrance when you come in, right, this will be the big focus. So whereby this island will be something that owner can host their guests, or even when they order their buffet here, they can place it on the table here. Okay, this van actually we have this cooker, induction cooker, which is hidden inside. This is the center top surface. So on the surface here, owner can does their cooking.
So what kind of cooking do you do over here?
My husband used this to cook instant noodles now.
Over here, this is the main focus, also one of the main focus. Owner will do their main cooking over here. So this is a chimney hook, this is a fridge, and this is the gas hook. Yeah. So there's a oven here. So over here is the bottom cabinet with all the storage. Yeah. So all these places, the cabinet and this feature wall are all flush. So this is the storeroom.
Very nice view
And washing. For washing dishes, you have a very nice view.
Next household wash
Steven actually designed this drawer for easy access for the switch itself. Yeah, so this is quite a good design. You don't have to open up a drawer then press. So this is quite an innovative idea from the team itself.
And over here, we have this laundry area here, whereby we push the washing machine into it to flush the tabletop. So over here, we have this flip panel whereby owner can throw their dirty clothing, their laundry clothing all inside here. And inside there's a basket here. Sorry, it's a bit nasty. Okay, yeah.
So you don't have to open it up and then it will come out the robot itself. So that makes it a very good system. What I love about this area is because I have a lot of system over here. So after washing over here, I can pull out the clothes, put over here, take down the hangers, hang it up, and then put it over here. So it's a very seamless process and it's very easy. So that's what I love about this. And this is really customized to my height. So we did a measurement. Yeah.
We did it according to
my
owner's
height.
height so that she can reach the hanger there. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes.